Have you started using video to tell your story? Maybe it comes to some of the topics that are a little bit more difficult to understand for somebody moving from an area outside of where you lived coming in. So I'll give an example. Here in the Valley, we have a lot of septics and wells. Have you taken time to sit down and do a video that you could send to somebody or put out on one of your pages that explains what it's like to buy a property that has a septic or a well? What do the inspections look like? How do I know it's good? How do I know my well's not going to run out of water? Have you put a video out there that can kind of answer that question for somebody that's looking and then reinforces that you're the professional that can help answer their questions and guide them through the process? Maybe you want to go through and do a video that explains the different kind of home inspections that can be used in your area. You know, many people don't understand the difference between a void only or an information purposes only or a negotiable home inspection. If you can be the person that's taking the time to put those videos together and explain that process, that when somebody's doing their research, they can start to develop trust in you, you can get a lot further. And they can also be tools that you can use later on in your business, that when somebody has a question, hey, you know what, I get asked that a lot. Here's a video that I made about that to answer that question. Maybe when you get a new client or a lead, you could have a drip campaign. Here's 10 videos that are my top 10 most asked questions. And I just wanted to go ahead and answer them before they come up. That's one of the ways that you can use video to reach people, make a connection with them, and also make your job a little bit more efficient and effective. I hope this helps you a little bit. Mike Crumrine, Virginia Regional Manager with Coldwell Banker Premier. Talk to you later.